Good morning, students. Today we'll start question number 4.11. Look at here. The following results have been obtained during the kinetic studies of the reaction 2A plus B. Production is coming here, C plus D. Okay. And their concentrations are given here. And what we have to find out here, the rate law and rate constant we have to find out. Okay. So now we are coming about the, I am writing here 4.11. What is the reaction given to us? Reaction is 2A plus B. Production is coming here, C plus D. Clear? And now what we have to find out here, some experimental results are given. Just I am writing here so that we can find out. So concentration of A, concentration of B, and here it is coming about the rate information. Okay, so it is coming about the rate. So now it is coming 0.1, this is 0.1, and this one is coming about which 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, next one is coming for second experiment. What is coming here? 0.3, 0.2 and 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2. For third experiment, what is coming to us? 0.3. Okay, it is coming 0.4 and it is coming 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 1, and in fourth it is coming 0.4, 0.1 is coming 2.40 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear now? So now we have to find out which one. We have to find out the rate law as well as rate law as well as which one is coming about the rate constant. So first we are finding out. Look at here, we have to find out the rate law here. That means what is the A to the power means exponent of A and B exponent of B we have to find out. We don't know what is the rate actually. So that first we are writing here dx by dt equals to rate constant A to the power x and B to the power y. So that two things if we can find out, so definitely we can write down the rate law here. Okay, so first we have to find out the two experiment where the A value is same. So this experiment setup we are taking now. So definitely we are coming here. What is the rate we are getting here? Now 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to and k into what is coming here? Now 0.3 to the power x and 0.2 to the power y. This is the first equation. And second equation again we are saying 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 1 equals to k into 0.3 x to the power and 0.4 y. Okay. So what is the last we are coming now? Divided 1 divided by 2. So what will be coming here? So it is minus 1 minus 2. So definitely 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 2.88 10 to the power minus 1 equals to, that will be cancelled. So 0.2 concentration of that is y and B key concentration 0.4 to the power y. So what will be coming here now? 1 7 4 is 2 and 4 2 is 8 4 7 is 20. It is coming 1 by 4. No, it is coming 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 equals to what is coming to us? 1 by 2. Okay, so it is coming 1 by 2 to the power y. Okay, so it is coming, that means 4 equals to 2 to the power y, or 2 square equals to 2 to the power y. So y equals to coming as 2. Clear? Now if I am putting in reaction, otherwise you can get that one also. Otherwise if we can take here 0.1 0.1, then also we can get the y here. How it is? So look at here. So 0.1, that means dx by dt equals to what we are getting here? K equals to coming here k a to the power x and b to the power y. So it is coming here. First one is 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 equals to k into what is coming here? Now 0.1 x and 0.1 to the power 2. Clear? And here it is coming, next one is coming about which one? 2.40 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to what is coming here? K 0.4 whole to the power x and 0.1 whole to the power 2. So it will be cancelled now. So definitely 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 2.40 into 10 to the power minus 2 and equals to k तो cancel हो जाएगा 0.1 by 0.4. That means it is coming 1 by 4 to the power x. Okay, so next it is coming, so these are also coming 4, 6 4s are 24 and 10 power minus 2 is coming, so it is coming here 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4 to the power x. So 4 equals to 4x or x equals to 4 to the power 1 equals to 4x, so x equals to 1. Okay, so x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 already we got. So definitely what will be the direct reaction here? Dx by dt equals to k a to the power 1 and b to the power 2. Over now. Now what you have to find out here? Rate constant. What is the rate constant you have to find out here? So definitely we are writing here any reaction we can take, just like this one we can take 6. First one ले लेते हैं 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 equals to k into 0.1 to the power what is coming 1 and 0.1 to the power what is coming here 2. Clear? So what is coming here? So k equals to what is it? 6 to it is 0.1 means 0.01 into 0.01 and so it is coming 0.001. So definitely it is 10 to the power minus 3, so it will be coming here cancel हो जाएगा दोनों तरफ 10 to the power minus 3 और we can write down here k equals to 1 into k into 10 to the power minus 3, तो ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा, तो k equals to what is coming here 6 है ना. And okay, so this is a k equals to 6 here, so already we got here k rate constant already we got here. Next one is coming for 4.12. so look at here some gaps are present है ना, some gaps are present and you have to find out the gap, fill in the blanks. So I am just writing here experimental setup, so you can find out very easily. It is concentration of A, it is coming 0.1, concentration of B, it is coming here what is coming 0.1 and rate is coming here which one 2 into 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 2. For second it is gap, it is coming 0.2 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. For third experiment, what is the third experiment here? It is coming 0.4, this is coming 0.4 and this is gap, means rate आपको find out करनी है. फोर्थ वन इनिशियल ए की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन फाइंड आउट करना है, बी की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन गिवन है और रेट ऑल्सो इज गिवन. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट हैव टू फाइंड आउट, तो ये तीनों को देके ही रखा है रेट देके, तो इसमें से रेट कांस्टेंट फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं और देन वी हैव टू अप्लाई द रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर द नेक्स्ट फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन, नेक्स्ट फॉलोइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन यू आर कमिंग, यहाँ पे आंसर सॉल्यूशन हम दे देते हैं इधर. सो व्हाट इज कमिंग है dx by dt इक्वल्स टू व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. एक मिनट पढ़ लेते हैं इसको, क्या देखे रखा है कि ए बी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ए एंड जीरो ऑर्डर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बी. तो इट इज कमिंग हियर के ए टू द पावर 1 एंड बी टू द पावर 0. तो नाउ फ्रॉम एक्सपेरिमेंट 1 व्हाट वी कैन गॉट हियर, now 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to k 0.1 to the power 1 and b 0.1 to the power 0. So it is coming which one? So k equals to what will be coming here? 0.1 means minus 1 will be coming here. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 will be coming. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 1, that means it is coming k equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 and minute inverse. It is coming minute inverse क्योंकि the concentration is given by mole per liter per minute, mole per liter per minute. Okay, okay. Next one we are coming for. तो अभी तो k तो आपको मिल गए, तो ये k we can apply for the second experiment. For the second experiment we are applying here. What is coming here? 4.0 into. So in the second experiment what is coming here? 4.10 to the power minus 2 है ना, equals to what we can write down here ना 2 into, क्योंकि k की वैल्यू को आपको मिल गया 2 into 10 to the power क्या था minus 1 into concentration of A ना concentration of B to the power 0. तो it is coming about the A to the power 1 एंड बी तो जीरो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो डेफिनेटली व्हाट बी द कंसंट्रेशन आपके किसकी फाइंड आउट करने, ए की. तो कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए इक्वल्स टू व्हाट इज कमिंग हियर 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. That means it is coming about which one? 0.2. क्योंकि 10 minus 1 will be coming here, so it is coming 0.2. Clear? Mole per liter. Next one is the थर्ड में क्या फाइंड आउट करनी है आपको, रेट फाइंड आउट करना है। तो ऑलरेडी आपको पता है कि dx by dt इक्वल्स टू व्हाट यू कैन राइट डाउन है ना, k to the a to the power 1 and b to the power 0। तो व्हाट इज द k हेयर, k की वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी मिल गया आपको 2 into 10 to the power -1 and a is what here, a is what here 0.4 and 0.4, so 0.4 to the power 1 and 0.4 to the power 0। so what is coming here now, it is coming, so dx dt 2 into 10 to the power 4, that means 4 to 8, that means 8 into 10 to the power -2, clear। so it is coming mole per liter per minute। dx dt over हो गया। now fourth one, what is the question here, क्वेश्चन इज आपको फाइंड, वही सेम बात है कि कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आपको फाइंड आउट करना है एक ही। तो यहाँ पे दे के रखा है कि dx by dt 2 into 0 10 to the power -2 इक्वल्स टू k की वैल्यू है 10 to the power -1 इंटू व्हाट इज कमिंग है 0. a की आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेशन फाइंड आउट करना है और b की वैल्यू दे के रखा है 0। ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी कमिंग हियर, a कंसंट्रेशन इज कमिंग 2 तो 1 हो जाएगा, तो 1 इंटू 10 to the power -1, दैट मीन्स इट इज कमिंग 0.1, है ना 0.1। सो ये 2/2 मतलब 10 to the power -2, यहाँ पे -1 है तो यहाँ पे -1 ही आ जाएगा, तो 1 इंटू 10 to the power -1 क्या हो जाएगा 0.1 इक्वल्स टू क्या आ जाएगा कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ a। क्लियर, सो इट्स ओवर नाउ। नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.13, कैलकुलेट द हाफ लाइफ ऑफ अ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, है ना, फ्रॉम देयर रेट कांस्टेंट गिवन बिलो। आपके पास रेट कांस्टेंट गिवन है, आपको हाफ लाइफ फाइंड आउट करना है और व्हाट इज द रिएक्शन हियर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। सो व्हाट इज कमिंग हियर, 4.13, व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस, इट इज गिवन टू अस t half लाइफ ऑफ अ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर आपको फाइंड आउट करना है। तो t half इक्वल्स टू क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड k इज गिवन टू अस। ओके, सो k इज व्हाट हियर फर्स्ट वन, तो फर्स्ट 200 second inverse। okay, so first for the first one we are starting t half equals to what is the formula, as it is a first order reaction, so it is coming 0.693 by k, already derivation already I have shown earlier, so now it is coming 0.693 divided by 200, that means it is coming which one, 200 means it is coming 2 3s are 63 and then 600, then it is coming here 930, that means it will be coming 3.4, है ना, 4 to the 8, so 930 4 to the 8 to 800 means 130, that means it will be coming 6, so 3.446 into what will be coming there, now it is 0.693, that means it will be coming 10 to the power -3, clear। so this is actually answer, so or you can say here 3. So that this is the answer here, first one। for second one, what is the t half we have to find out here, now we same formula 693 by k, now what is k given to us, k is given to us here 2 minutes inverse, so what we have to write down 693 divided by 2 minutes, that means it is coming which one, 2 3s are 0.3 and 2 4s are 8 and 1 3 3 6 are 12, again 3 5 10, so it is coming here minute, or this is the time, or we can, if you have to convert it into second, definitely, otherwise you can write down in the, keep it in the minute also, no problem, 10 to the power -1 minute। next one, for third what is given to us here, t half equals to what you have to write down 6.693 by k, and here t what is given to us, k is given to us 4 year inverse, तो डेफिनेटली वही सेम बात है 0.693 by 4 year, है ना, तो what will be coming here, 4 1 are 4 and 2 9 4 7 are 28, so पॉइंट तो पहले ही बैठा देते हैं, और 28 1 3 4 3 are 12 and again 1 0, that is coming 2 5, है ना, तो it is coming this one year, or we can say 1.7325 into 10 to the power -1 year, over। Next one is coming, the half life for radioactive decay of 14C is 5730 years, means the half life is 5730 years, and archaeological artifact containing wood had only 80% of the 40C found in the living tree, so 80% it is found there, and estimate the age of the sample। T half is given to us, and radioactive decay, that means it is actually coming about the T half equals to 0.693 by K. Okay, and then we have to find out the K, we have to find out from there, and we have to apply to when the 80% remaining, when 20% is over, so at that time we have to find out the age here. Okay, so let's start now. 4.14. What is given to us? Now half life is given to us. T half equals to 5730 years. Okay. So now we are coming for the what you have to find out here? K. So K equals to 0.693 divided by T half. So it is coming 0.693 divided by 5730. Okay, 693 by 5730. Next one we are coming for K equals to this one over. Achha, next one we are coming for, this is first order reaction, decomposition is there, radioactive decomposition. So what we have to write down here? T, we have to find out what is the formula here, 2.303 by K and log A naught by A or R naught by A, whatever you can write down. So now it is coming about the, यहाँ पे R लिख देते हैं, R naught by R. Okay, so now 2.303, what is the K value here? Now 0.693 by 5730, so it will be coming here 0.693 into 5730 and into what is coming here, log. Now what is actually A naught here? 100, and what is actually remaining now? 80. So now it is coming 2.303 by 0.693 into 5730 into, so it is coming about the 2524. So log 5 minus log 4. Okay, so now it is coming 2.303 divided by 0.693 into 5730, or what is the value of log 9? 0.699, and what is the value of log 4 here? 0.602. Okay, so what will be the remaining here? 0.602 and 69, 0.09 will be remaining here. Okay, so now it is coming 2.303 by 0.693 into 5730 into 0.09. Okay, 0.09 and 7 also you can write down here. Okay, so now it is coming lagbhag 3.63 is 18, and 18 is then over. It is coming about the 18 to 50, so it is coming about the 6 is 18, 6 4 25, 3.32, 6.01. Achha, this one is coming about the 3.32 into 5730, and it is 0.097, and the total actually the if you have to calculate it, so it is coming like 3 5 is 15 or 9, then it's coming 1 8. I think I have to calculate it first. So it is coming 1844.6. That means 1845 lagbhag years. Okay. So what is the time taken to decompose or to remaining 80? The time taken by that decomposition reaction or radioactive reaction is 8.1845 years. Okay. So next one is 4.16. This is graphical actually representation. You can do by yourself. The rate constant for a first order reaction is 60 second inverse. How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16? So it is first order reaction. So definitely we are, it is given also again rate constant is given. So you have to just find out the which one initial concentration. So let's start now. 4.16. What is coming here? So rate constant K equals to 60 second inverse. T equals to what you should write down here, 2.303 by K and log A naught by 1/16 is remaining. So 1/16 is, I think what is given to us? To its 1/16 value, when it is reduced to 1/16 value. So definitely we should write down here. So 2.303 divided by what is coming 60 and log it is coming 16. So log 16 की value हम इधर ही find out कर लेते हैं. That is log 8 into 2. है ना? So it is coming 2.303 by 60 log 8 plus log 2, that means 2.303 by 60. log 8 की वैल्यू कितना है 0.90 एंड log 2 की वैल्यू कितना है ना 0.301 है, तो it is 9031 actually. So what is coming now 2.303 by 60, so it will be coming 9312, so 134 and 0 and 1.2. clear now? So it is coming now, what is the actually 6 2s are 12, so 2 2s are 4, that will it is coming 4.6 2s are 12 and it is coming 0 and 2, so 202 and it is coming here 2.302, it is coming 4. लगभग 62 into 10 to the power minus 2 second. This is the time taken. 4.16. Okay, next one more question is there. 4.17. During nuclear explosion, one of the product is 19 strontium with half-life of 28.1 years. If 1 microgram of 19 strontium was absorbed in the bones of a newly born baby instead of calcium, how much it will remain after 10 years and 60 years? Okay, तो half-life आपके पास given है. And strontium की actually decomposition, that means it is coming again the first order reaction, and this one is 28.1 years half life. तो इससे आप के फाइंड आउट कर लो, उसके बाद इसको अप्लाई कर दो किसमें ना मेन रिएक्शन में, और उसमें आपको फाइंड आउट 10 years के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, रिमेनिंग कितना है वो आपको फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा. तो फर्स्ट वी आर स्टार्टिंग हियर 4.17. so what is given to us, 1 minute. So it is coming k equals to 0.693 by it is coming t half. Okay, so what is coming as 0.693 by 28.1 years. Okay, next one you are coming for, so k तो मिल गया आपको, अभी t में आप फाइंड आउट कर लो इसको. So t equals to what you can write down here 2.303 by k log it is coming a naught by a. ओके, सो नाउ t इक्वल्स टू क्या है 10 years है, तो आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करें 2.303 बाई इट इज कमिंग अबाउट द 0.693 इंटू 28.1 इंटू लॉग क्या था इनिशियल 1 माइक्रोग्राम था, और अभी क्या हो जाएगा ना इट इज कमिंग अबाउट द व्हाट इज द अमाउंट एक्चुअली यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हियर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द अमाउंट, सो वी आर राइटिंग हियर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ A. Now so we have to just apply that one, so log 1 by A, so log 1 by A equals to what you can write down here 10 into 0.693 by 2.303 into 28.1 and what is actually इसका आंसर क्या आ रहा है, that is coming about the it is coming about the which one 0.1071. clear? So now we have to find out 1 by A equals to what you have to write down here anti-log of 0.1071. तो anti-log of 0.1071 कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे आप, तो क्योंकि log 0 है 1, log 1 है 0 and next one is coming for the log 2, it is coming 0.301. तो इसके बीचों बीच कितना आ जाएगा 0.15, तो 1.5 के लिए 0.15 तो इधर लगभग आपके आ जाएगा 0.10, दैट मीन्स 0.3 0.6 1.1 1.2 1.3, तो 1.3 के लगभग आ जाएगा 0.09. तो 0.09 मतलब ही है 1 के आसपास, तो इधर कितना आ जाएगा ना 1.3, वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा 1.3. 1.2 थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आएगा, तो जो भी हो 1.3 हम ले सकते हैं इसको. तो नाउ वी आर कमिंग एंटी लॉग इक्वल्स टू 1.3 है, एंड सो n इक्वल्स टू और a इक्वल्स टू व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हियर now 1 by 1.3 that is coming I think 0.7 13 sevens are 0.0 है ना 1.3 so 10 ना 0.0 नहीं आएगा 7 और 13 sevens are 91 और 7090 so 13 6 are 13 sevens are 91 so it is coming 13 6 so 0.076 ऐसा आंसर आएगा है ना 0.76 and it is coming in microgram. Okay, one more question is also there after 60 years. So 60 years बस वही बात सेम बात है कि 60 equals to what we can write down here 2.303 by 0.693 into 28.1. तो log कितना आ जाएगा अभी log 1 microgram and again I have to find out the A here. What is the A here last remaining? So A log 1 by A. Okay, log 1 by concentration of FA. What if we have to write down here? Now it is coming about which one? 0.6 by 60, 0.693 by 2.303. 60 into 0.693 by 2.303 into 28.1 I think. 28.1. So into 28.1 and it is coming, what is the actually value? We have to find out that one. Value is coming here 0.64. 0.64 and so 1 by A equals to what you have to find out here, anti-log of 0.64. तो 0.64 आपको कहाँ मिलेगा ना, एक तो है log 5 की वैल्यू कितना है ना 0.69 और log 4 की वैल्यू कितना है 0.60. तो 69 और 60 मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, इसकी लगभग वैल्यू आ जाएगा 4.5 के आसपास या 4.3, क्योंकि 60 और 69 लगभग एक तो नहीं हो रहा है, 10 की डिफरेंस तो आ नहीं रहा है. तो 63 तो हम इधर कर देते हैं इसको 4.3 के आसपास है ना, 4.3 क्योंकि ये 9 का है तो 0.09 विल बी एडेड देयर. 9 3 27. तो इट इज़ कमिंग 64, 9 4 34. सो ये 4.3 के आसपास आ जाएगा और A इक्वल्स टू व्हाट यू कैन राइट डाउन हेयर 1 by 4.3 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू कमिंग हेयर 0.227.